Fingerprint Security Lock. Set up Fingerprint Security Lock. From the home screen, select the Settings app. Select Lock Screen and Security. Select Fingerprints. Select Next. To use fingerprints to unlock your device, you must first set up a backup lock screen type. Select the desired backup unlock method. For this demonstration, Pattern will be used. Review the Secure Startup prompt. Select the desired option, then select Next. Enter the desired pattern, then select Next. Enter the desired pattern again, then select Confirm. Review the notifications prompt. Select the desired option, then select OK. Review and follow the prompts to register your fingerprint to the device. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor on the front of the device. Lift it off and repeat, moving it slightly between attempts. If you would like to add another fingerprint, select Add More. To continue, select OK. Change Secured Lock Time. To change your lock screen time, from the lock screen and security screen, select Secure Lock Settings. Select Lock Timer. Select the desired option. Use a fingerprint to unlock the device. To unlock your device using your fingerprint, from the lock screen, place your finger on the fingerprint sensor on the front of the device. Add or remove fingerprints. To add another fingerprint, from the lock screen and security screen, select Fingerprints. Enter your backup unlock code. Select Add Fingerprint, then repeat the process from adding your initial fingerprint. Select OK. To remove a fingerprint, from the fingerprint screen, select the Delete icon next to the desired fingerprint. Select Delete to confirm. To turn fingerprint lock off, select the screen lock switch.